A little bit about the pre-commissioning training, so if you can throw some light on that.
Yeah, in fact, in our AEL branch, no, Rajesh, you join and after 6 months they give permanent commission. Otherwise, if commissioning is from the day one. So that is the way it is. And what they used to say that 1 year uh,
Antedate, yes.
anti-date service a period you will be given. But the training was really fantastic. In fact, it is very now. If you look back, do you enjoy it? It is 1.5 year training, and we do the training from AFTC, Air Force Technical College. Now, this is in Bangalore. So we all arrived and with all our various क्या कहते हैं अपनी आशाएं आकांक्षाओं के साथ कि this will happen and that will happen और ये होगा and फौज में आ गए हैं तो it's all party time every day and all those things, all those ideas, great ideas.
Absolutely.
But when you join, and there is something called after say 10-15 days when everybody starts settling, then this thing which I should say indoctrination period starts, and this is the period isko in fact I want to clear the air that इसको बहुत जगह बाहर रैगिंग भी कहते हैं, रगड़ा भी कहते हैं, all those things are known, but let me tell you कि this is very much required.
Yes.
And what they do you कि for late night they will keep you awake. You say the task given is as per the book, means you are asked to parade, you are asked to prepare something, you have to do, but timing is given less, a lot of drill, a lot of running around, all those things. Basically it is called toughening period, and basically psychologically you are made very strong. Of course there have been issues with many courses that some people break down, and nowadays because of it's all interpersonal things, so at times it goes astray. But in my opinion, this period is if you can enjoy, the courses have to finish in time bound, so that yes, ek din to yaar khatam hoga aur hum niklenge, and you always look back the campfire days, the thing you enjoy, a lot of drill, lot of physical training, a lot of ground training, and thereafter after 6 months, a month or so, 1.5 months, then a good party is organized and you give all cultural presentation, what the talents you exhibit the talents in front of all the directing staff, जो teachers होते हैं उनके सामने जो पढ़ाते हैं, with their lady wives they come, and it's a great way to begin the life, and then the professional course starts for 1 year. By the way, nowadays this training period, Rajesh, just to put your people in sync, अब क्या हो रहा है कि 6 months of the ground training is done at AFA, Air Force Academy, and 1 year is at this thing, and this whatever the indoctrination, it happens probably in a very different manner. It happens at the AFA.
So I think that integrating that, that's a part of a little bit of integration, the
yes,
jointmanship, जिसे हम बोलते हैं, so that
exactly,
all the branches of the Air Force, who get commissioned, they train for some time together. So I think that is always beneficial in the long run.